motor, table fan motor, that is a capacitor, that is a gearbox which rotate the motor one side to other side, that is a stator part. Motor specification: 230 volt and 50 hertz. That is a capacitor specification: 3 farad, 3 microfarad, 450 volt, 50 or 60 hertz, minus 25 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. That is rotating part which rotate the motor one side to another side. Gearbox control from the switch on and off with sweep. If you on the switch, the fan sweep from one side to another side, and if off, the fan stop. No sweep, but fan rotate. Not as a switch of fan rotation. The switch of fan rotation. That is a point of switch of fan. That is a lowest speed, medium speed and high speed. That is a time which we want to fan when you want to off. Thank you.